everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vira. In this video, I will show you how to power off on Vivo V40 Lite. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. I want to turn off this phone. The classical way is to push long on the power button, like this. Yep, you can see this method doesn't work. And the right way to turn off this phone is to push and hold volume up and power button together. This is the volume up button and the power button together, like this. You will see that the power off menu appears, and here you can power off your phone very easy. However, I also want to share for those of you who want to turn off with the push long at the power button. Here you will set the settings first. First, open your settings menu. Next, you scroll down and you open shortcuts and accessibility. Next, you open press and hold power button, like this. Yep, this is press and hold power button. Click again. Next, you choose enable the power and emergency menu. Tap on this. Yep, successfully. Time to result. I want to turn off this phone with the push long at the power button, like this. Yep, you will see that the power off menu appears. And here you can power off your phone. You can power off or restart your phone. I want to power off. Okay, successfully. And if you want to turn on, you can push it long on the power button too. Yep, wait a minute, your phone will be active. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.